Hey everyone, this is Cade Larson. This video is for AEP 800, and this is mini assignment number 3. This is my fourth video, and the website I found was called MathTV.com. Um, Being a math teacher, I wanted to find something that would kind of help us out a little bit, um, or at least be more directed towards math teachers. So. I found this and it seems like it is a great tool to have. All right, so there's a bunch of free videos on here, all talking about math. There's different instructors that you can watch. A cool thing that you can do is up here in the top left, you can choose a topic. So, say you teach algebra, or your students are in geometry and they need some help, and you can't quite remember something that you want to help them with. If they're in your study hall, something like that, you can gear them towards this website, and and it'll help them a bunch. So let's say we just go to basic math, we can go to whole numbers. Um, so then there are a bunch of different questions that you can ask. So write 5,478 in expanded form over here. There are 3 different videos you can watch. There's one in Spanish actually. So you can click that, and
In this example, we want to write the number.
and you can watch this video in and how to do it, stuff like that. We could pick a different one. Say we go to algebra. We want rational expressions. So down here, there's a bunch of different videos to help you. You can do the operations and you can get help with how to perform it. Um, and there's different ways of doing it. Each one shows a different way. So that's a great thing to have, of explaining the same problem in a different way so your students can hear it a different way. They heard it from you. Now maybe they hear it from CJ, Ariel, and Spencer. So I think this is a great app to have on tap if you're trying to figure out what to do or how to help your students. Maybe they need some extra work. This would be a great place to point them, and it goes back very far. So a lot of different age teachers can use this. So I hope this helped. Let me know if you have any questions. I've been kind of playing around with this app for a while now, and it seems pretty easy to use, and I will definitely be using it in my classroom this year. So thank you.